Hey YouTube, Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the haircut of actor John Krasinski. So I'm going to use clippers to go from about this point into about right in through here. We're definitely going for more of a longer look as compared to like usually using trimmers with like a 0 guard or 1 or 2. I'm actually going to try number 6 guard, and I'm going to work it up into this area and through here, throughout the back and then the other side, and then I'm going to actually work it in by hand. So I'm ready to go. Let's do it. I just want to break this down for you guys so you can see what I did. Now, I did mention in the beginning I started with a number 6 guard, which I used on the sides and the back, and then I worked up probably to about right in through here throughout both sides and the back, and then I basically did everything doing scissor over comb, which allowed me to really refine this nicely in through here, to keep a nice balanced shape, and to be able to work in this type of texture. And then I cut the top going about, I'd say, 2.5 inches or so, working throughout the very, very front, keeping it balanced, cutting it off horizontally through here. And the very top is about, I'd say, 3.5 inches or so, no more than 4 inches throughout the top here. And then I had used a shadow previously on another haircut, so I just kind of left that in there. And then I used Clutch XL to kind of work this in and to create a little bit of added texture throughout the shape. And here we have the finished result. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we've got videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.